Hello, I'm the large function. Today I'm going to explain why I'm often misunderstood. People frequently compare me with the max function. That's understandable. After all, we both deal with values, but we solve completely different business problems. Max answers one question. What is the largest value? I answer hundreds of questions. What is the second largest? What is the fifth largest? Who are our top 10 customers? I don't just find the biggest number, I rank your data. And that's why you'll find me in professional dashboards, management reports, and financial analysis. Why Microsoft created me? Imagine you're analyzing a large sales transactions list. Your sales director asks, "What was our highest sale this month?" The max function can answer that immediately. But then she asks, "Who achieved our third highest sale?" Max can't answer. That's where I begin. I allow Excel to rank your data, not simply find the largest value. Fortunately, my syntax is very simple. The first argument is the array. That's simply the list of numbers you want me to analyze. The second argument is K. Think of K as the finishing position. 1 means first place, same as the max. But 3 means third place. Change one number, and I instantly return a different ranking. Let's look at some examples. Let's find the third highest sale from the data in the sales column. So I type large and select the sales column using Control plus Shift plus down arrow. Comma 3. Excel immediately returns the third highest sale. Now replace the 3 with a 5. Instantly you have the fifth highest sale. Notice that nothing else changes. The same formula works for any ranking. Now, on my own, I simply return a number. But when combined with other functions, I become much more powerful. For example, I can return the third highest sale, and the XLOOKUP can then return the salesperson, and filter can return every matching transaction. Professional Excel solutions are rarely built with one function. They're built by combining several functions together, and I am one of the smaller functions that help in that process. You'll often find me working behind the scenes in sales dashboards, financial reports, top customer analysis, performance league tables. Before I finish, I'd like you to meet my cousin and partner, the small function.
Hello, I am the small function. Everything the large function has shown you applies to me as well. The only difference is the direction. Large works from the top down, I work from the bottom up. If large finds the fifth highest sale, I'll find the fifth lowest. We're built using exactly the same syntax, so once you've learned one of us, you've learned both.
Whether you're looking to improve your own Excel skills or train an entire team, we've built a practical course for real-world Excel users. Our 6-level online program takes learners from beginner to advanced and now includes using Excel with AI, ensuring every skill level is covered. For businesses and universities, we support groups from 3 users to over 1,000. Managers can track progress, monitor results, and see team performance in real time. Course levels include online exams, and learners who achieve 75% receive an automatically generated CPD-certified Excel certificate. Individual and corporate group licenses available. Learn Excel. Work faster.